So what's been interesting is even with this sell-off, we've had some different sectors outperforming this year, and it makes sense. So some very defensive sectors like healthcare and consumer staples and real estate have outperformed, and the top three performers in the S&P 500. That makes sense, but that can go too far. So for us, we think healthcare is going to be a great sector this year, but we think staples have gotten expensive. Be careful with that defensive mode, because once we get some good news on the administration's policies, we're going to see people flooding back into technology. And I would tell you right now, technology is as cheap as we've seen it for 3 years. So you might want to start, making a list of those stocks that perhaps you missed over the course of the last couple of years and penciling in. And I think there's going to be some good buying opportunities, especially in those names that are tied to artificial intelligence, whether it's Nvidia, which is down significantly from its all-time high. I think Microsoft would certainly fall into that bucket. And another sector that has been adversely affected over the course of the last couple of weeks has been financials. And some of the best banks out there, like JP Morgan, are trading at multiples we haven't seen in the better part of 6 months. So I think there's opportunity. You don't have to dive right in, but keep your eye open for things that you've always wished that you had bought. Start writing down that list, and I think you're going to get some opportunities over the coming weeks here.